What's good, guys? It's your boy Bafana Lontiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama wakho umthakathi umngane wakhe uyaloya. We're about to pick it. Uncle, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So let me wait. So today I'm going to meet my girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to meet my girl. She said I must pull up. So when she told me that, I just thought of a prank. So I'm going to tell her that I'm vlogging the day and something, but I'm going to prank her. So the name of the prank is that, have you seen the title most? I'm going to call her by my ex name. You know what I'm saying? Hey yo, let me make this clear. My bad. Yo, Bontlo. Baby boy. I love you, ne? Ka o rata botlhoko wa itse. And go botsa gore nna ke motho wa content wa di prank so ka o kopela. Don't take it personal. It's just the prank. It's just the content. I love you. Ke prank. Please, sakwata. So if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Without any further ado, let's get. Oh, by the way, new look. I'm 2.0. You know the guy, most right? It's new year, new look, and I'm 2.0. You know the guy. Comment down below who is it. Without any further ado, let's watch the intro. Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy. I've arrived. I'm kinda nervous because like I don't know if you should forgive me by doing this, but if he gets angry, please, baby, Buntle, get prank. Go frostana, get prank, get content. So let's go, let's get it. Go. Go. Wait. Hey, baby. Hey, Joe. Who is your vlog? Evan, one who travel. Eh? Better 360. Dai tlagam.
Mara.
Better 360. Better 360 ka pelo, fellas. Better 360. Eh? Afela wena. Let's go talk afela. Like content. Ke feel like ke casual. Ntsha content e tlong hafisa jo. Hawa. Ke re dai then bo. Bo, ke bethile signature ya YouTube. Ke come like every time you're ilo phele mo tlhong ya ke signature ke khetha bjang a sharp ene or ka khetha in color or come yang ena mbutsa ke re ke yore mbutse jo signature enga ikhethang mbutsa yona wena what's happen signature ke ntho ke change a se yona ya o phele tsamaya ka ko fela sebaka se se kana 2 weeks. Hey guys, so now she just left me and she went inside the house, so I don't think she heard me when I said Mpho, but let's go, let's get it. So now what's going to happen? I have her phone here. I have her phone, so when she comes back, I'm going to say, Mpho, take your phone. I don't know if she's going to hear me again or she's going to get angry. I don't know, but when she comes back, I'm going to say, Mpho, take your phone. Wait. When?
Sorry.
What's up,
Sorry.
When? What's up, man? When?
Nana tata.
Huh?
Nana tata.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
Yena pesa sana. Wai terpaksa. Cuma regular snacks. Lesbian ni.
Marul gual, umiyela oto.
Oh, okay.
Ay, katala.
Apa kau eh?
Bandilo ze badlokela ko metsile.
Ya, wajib. Nah, kita pun di rumah.
Also, hello ko bono fetulwana. Yo guys, I couldn't say it. I was afraid. I don't know why I'm so afraid. I don't want to piss her off because I know if she gets annoyed, it's chai.
Kilo ile kadi kai?
25, 6.
Tiket 25. Kilo ile kadi 26.
Right, man. 17. Yeah, yeah, 17.
23 na nagisalo. Kilo kadi 24.
24. Now you don't know what I'm doing.
Konakele avuka vuka man sebenzela khona sibeshona khona awuzula zula man awukhalele ngakhoyo sibeshona khona yeni
Cheerful. Mpho cheerful. Yo guys, I just said Mpho, but she didn't get angry. I will keep going, I'll keep pushing. I don't know, hey. I don't know, but let's go, let's get it.
konakele, konakele, konakele. Avuka vuka man, sebenzela khona, sibe shona khona. Awuzula zula man, awukhalele ngakhoyo, sibe shona khona. Awuzula zula man, awusebenzela khona, sibe shona khona. Awukhalele ngakhoyo.
Ke sa
Odrai.
So that was the end of the video. I couldn't prank her, Joe. I'm afraid. Sorry, guys. I'm scared. I'm afraid. This was just a vlog. I couldn't prank her, so sorry, guys. My bad, my bad. But if you made it this far, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Even though you can give this video 5 likes or 10 likes, I don't care, cause I promised the prank, but it didn't happen. So without any further ado, peace out. Sorry, guys. I couldn't prank her. That was the end of the video. Sorry.
Hasta la vista, la